Welcome to the JC Installs workshop. Today I'm taking some time out of my afternoon to have a chat about the Sony XAV-AX200 head unit. We all think quite highly of it here at JC Installs, and I'm going to be giving you folks a wee rundown of exactly what it could do for you. It's a fantastic double-din head unit. It does full Bluetooth hands-free, rear USB input, which allows you to do this brilliant thing called Android Auto or Apple CarPlay via your Android or iPhone device. It lets you have your phone on charge when you're ever on the road. Wired mic, so you get crystal clear hands-free calling, texting and even emailing. You've got full touchscreen interface, as well as an adjustable volume knob. It gives you the ability to have your steering wheel controls, if you've got them in your car, configured. Also has 3 camera inputs. For those of you who just want a reversing camera, you can do that. But it gives you 2 more camera inputs for parking cameras and for parallel parking or just parking anywhere where it might be a little bit more dangerous. So now I've got my phone connected to the Sony XAV-AX200 head unit. Basically I don't need to worry about my phone anymore. That can go in here. Tuner, phone, 3 camera inputs, all accessible through the head unit manually, although when you select reverse on your car, it will flick it into the rear view camera. Settings give you nice basic, really simple to use setup as far as all of your basic head unit functions work, as well as some really cool audio manipulation for getting some slightly different sounds when you're playing music. This is the basic function here. We've been listening to a bit of Spotify. Last place we were navigating to was home. Also gives you the say a basic rundown of the forecast, the temperature and the current temperature, as well as a message I've just received. So typically I can just reply with "I'm driving right now" and mute that person. I can also unmute them, but if I want to reply,
Nathan Shan says, "Hey Ben, can you give me a ring when you are free? Cheers." Do you want to reply?
yes, I would like to reply.
What's the message?
Thanks mate, can you give me a ring in 20 minutes please when I've found a car park?
Got it. Here's your message. Thanks mate, can you give me a ring in 20 minutes please when I found the car park? Do you want to send it or change it?
Send it please.
Sending message.
Easy as that. You can manually dial numbers, but you can also access your recent call history, as well as contacts, and basically tap the screen to make a phone call. And because it's all fully hands-free with the wired mic that typically gets run to the top of the windshield, picks up your voice and you've got crystal clear hands-free calling. You'll be using Spotify or Google Play Music. This gives you full custom control from the head unit, and it's basically like using your phone, and it's simple as press play and you're away laughing, and obviously turn the music up. It tells you the cell phone signal just here, also gives you the indication that your battery's on charge or fully charged, your time, and then if I'm wanting to, I can just tap that microphone button there. Navigate to Christchurch Central please.
Navigating to Christchurch Central.
And automatically starts navigation. It gives me a brief rundown of where I'm going. You can search along the route or a gas station if you need to pick up fuel, and just tap and add it onto your route. Final thing is you can also just press and hold. Cancel navigation. That's the brief introduction to the Sony XAV-AX200 head unit. Thanks for taking your time to watch this video today. I hope you have a good afternoon.